Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix keyboard problems on Windows 11 operating system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10. So don't worry, we will fix this issue together. You need to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. So we are going to use on-screen keyboard. So I'll show you how to open it. We are going to use this on-screen keyboard to fix our issue. So right click on the start icon, then select settings. You can click on these three lines and go to accessibility, then go for the keyboard option, and from here enable this option, that is on-screen keyboard. If your keyboard is working, then you can press the logo key plus Ctrl plus O to directly turn on this option, but right now our keyboard is not working, so we will use this, and there we go. So now just go to search bar, then type here control panel, and from the search results click here to open it. And once we are here, we need to select the view by as small icons and then go for keyboard. Once we are here, we need to select the repeat delay up to the next to the long, so lowest, and here you can see on my screen, and in the repeat rate it should be on the fastest, highest, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, now we are going to simply update the driver. So for that, just go to search bar and type here device manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the keyboard drivers. Right click on it, select properties, then go to drivers tab and then click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, so select the first one. Once done, the best drivers will be installed automatically, and close this window and simply restart the system. That's it guys. You can also check out the pinned comment in the description below, and it will solve your problem quickly and effectively. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.